What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Dry Mind. My name is Steve, and well, let's turn this basically into this. Check it out. So in this video, we're gonna basically, like I said, turn dull old pipes into crispy, super polished pipes. So the goal of the car, everything's gonna be polished, black, blue, and gray. So let's get cracking. Okay, we got a pipe. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with 1,000. After the 1,000, we're gonna hit it with 1,200. After 1,200, we're gonna hit it with 2,500. Then we got old polish, aluminum polish from Meguiar's, and then a nice wool wheel. So let's get right into it. All right, so complete went over 1,000. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with 1,200. After the 1,200, we're gonna hit it one more time with 2,500 and get going. So let's go ahead and hit it now with the 1,200. Bam, looks exactly the same. So basically I hit it with the 1,200, so it looks exactly the same. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the 2,500. Then we're gonna go ahead and sand it with some polish. So like I said, it's gonna be hand sanded. So the goal is to make circle marks, like in a circle pattern, not up and down scratches. So that way you can eliminate as much scratches as possible. Let's see if we see any here. I did a pretty good job with the scratches. So you can see a little bit of lines there. But you know, you get the drift. So let's go and hit it again. All right, starting to run out of daylight here, but this is looking pretty good. When I hit it with the 2,500. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the mother's polish. After that, we're gonna use the wheel and get cracking. Let's do it now. Okay, so got my polish. So the goal is to just kind of smear this bad boy all on there. Take my wheel and get to town.
All right, here is the final results. On the left, you see a fully polished pipe ready to go, hit with the 2,500 in the polish. On the right, you see it half finished. Obviously, I ran out of daylight, but this is the true end result. Look at the one on the left, shining as bright as possible. But this one needs a little fix. With all that being said, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. You guys already know what it is. Drive Miami. Peace.